In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Shopify payments for non-US citizens, following the new way for 2025. So, if you're outside the United States and eager to set up Shopify payments for your online store, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring everything is crystal clear and straightforward. First and foremost, let's head over to the homepage of your Shopify account. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. You'll find it either in the bottom left corner or neatly across the top, depending on your user interface version. Click on it and then navigate to the Payments section. This is where you'll be configuring all the options related to how you handle transactions on your online store. Next up, under the Supported Payment Methods section, you'll need to click on Add Payment Method. This is where you decide which payment providers you want to include for your store. The cool part is that Shopify has numerous options you can choose from, so you're not limited to just one or two providers. Once you've reached the stage where you're deciding on a payment method, search for your bank by typing its name into the search bar. After locating it, you'll need to install it directly from this section. It's essentially like downloading an app on your phone, and once installed, you're going to log into your bank account. This process ensures your bank is properly linked to Shopify, allowing you to manage your finances directly through your business account. Remember to have your banking credentials handy to make this step smooth and hassle-free. After successfully connecting your bank account, it's time to set the pricing for your products. You'll want to set both the price and the compare at price. The compare at price is particularly useful if you're offering a sale or discount, as it allows customers to see the original price, creating a comparison that showcases the savings they're getting. Once you've configured the necessary settings and ensured everything is aligned as per your business strategy, the final step is to hit the Save button. This action will secure all the settings you've just implemented, finalizing the setup process of Shopify payments. And there you have it. You've successfully activated Shopify payments for your store as a non-US citizen. This process not only broadens your range of payment methods, but also enhances the shopping experience for your customers. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime, and remember, if you ever encounter issues or have questions, Shopify's support team is always a great resource to lean on. Happy selling, and may your online business reach new heights!